Learn Korean with me. Learning daily Korean phrases can help you communicate more easily in everyday situations. All phrases are essential for polite interactions. Mastering these basics and enhance your experience with Korean culture and language. Welcome to my channel Learn Languages. Let's go. We are learning daily conversational phrases. 배고파요, it's mean I'm hungry. 목말라요 means I'm thirsty.
피곤해요.
Means I'm tired. 좋은 아침이에요 means good morning.
좋은 오후입니다. means
Good afternoon. In the other way, we says 좋은 오후예요.
좋은 저녁입니다.
Means good evening. In the casual way, we says
좋은 저녁이에요. 좋은 저녁입니다. 좋은 저녁이에요. 잘 자요. means
good night.
잘 자요. 어제 뭐 했어요?
It means what did you do yesterday? 어제 means yesterday.
좋은 꿈 꿔요.
It means sweet dreams.
오늘 날씨 어때요?
It means how is the weather today? 날씨 means weather.
영화 보러 가요.
It means let's go watch a movie. 응하 means movie.
잘 있어.
It means stay well.
잘 있어.
저는 학생이에요. means I am student. 좋아해요. means I like it or I like. 싫어해요. it means I don't like it. 정말이에요. it means really. 여기 있어. it means here it is. 메뉴판 주세요. means please give me the menu. 병원에 가야 해요. it means I need to go to the hospital. 경찰을 불러주세요. it means please call the police. Match the following words. If you don't remember, please watch the video again and note in books. Student, good night. Hungry, police. Thirsty, well done. Weather. Now we are going to do direction. We are going to learn to how to give direction and more about the directions. 오른쪽으로 가세요. It means go right. 왼쪽으로 가세요. It means go left. 직진하세요. It means go straight. 여기서 세워주세요. Means please stop here. 가까워. It means it's close. 멀어요. Means it's far. 지도 있어요. It means do you have a map? 여기 어떻게 가요? It means how do I get here? 버스 정류장이 어디예요? It means where is the bus stop? 택시 타요. It means let's take a taxi. Match the following words. Right, left, map, taxi. It's closed. Where? You did well. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Learn Languages. Stay tuned for more updates.